this is Tim from Your Six Hack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your Honor device over to your laptop screen. And this is very simple to do. So on Windows 11 or 10, the first thing you want to do is plug your phone in with this USB to USB-C cable. So let's plug my phone in right now. And the first thing your phone's going to want to do is charge. So we have to press this screen and then go to use USB photos transfer right here. Scan your finger, and then our phone is set up to transfer the photos. So you have to go to use transferring for photos. Otherwise, it's simply not going to detect your computer. Now we want to go to this application, go to search in the bottom left and go to photos and open this up. So this comes default. You don't need to install it or download it. So here's this application. Go to the top right and go to import. Go to Honor 9D or Honor or whatever phone you have. Then it's going to import these. So once they're on here, it's not imported yet. We have to select it and then go to add item. If you have a lot of photos and stuff under here, it's going to take probably 5 to 10 minutes to import everything. So just a heads up, I only have like 35 pictures, so it did it really quick. Then select your folder or create a folder to transfer it to your computer. So I'm going to go to screenshots, and it is now imported on my computer. So I can see it on under here. Now another way that we can do this that could be a little bit quicker is by going to File Explorer on the bottom. Let's drag this over here. Go to the left and go to this PC. And then find your phone. Here's my Honor 90. Go to internal storage or your SD card. Go to DCIM, camera. All right, and then you can see the same photos on here. You can just select it, hit Control and select it, and then press right click. Go to copy, and then you can find your folder on the left here, and then Control V, right click, paste. And then you should be able to copy that over to your laptop now. So another area you might want to look is under pictures here. If you have something like saved to Messenger, screenshots, or thumbnails, etc. But just look in there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.